Do you want to lose muscle?
Yeah.
Do you despise getting stronger?
Yeah.
Well then, this is your lucky day. If you follow these 5 steps, you'll be on your way to getting weak. Step 1. Cardio. One of the most effective ways to lose energy really fast is to keep doing cardio. Yeah, you know, doing a little bit. No, do a lot. Do cardio. Just keep going. Yeah. Hey neighbors, yeah, I'm okay. Oh man, I haven't ran since 1996. Step 2. Nutrients. One of the best ways to gain energy is to eat food. So don't do that. Ugh. So tired from all that running and biking and kickboxing and rowing and swimming.
Wow, if you keep this up, you might get to eat a little bit of celery in 2 weeks.
Okay. Step-free energy drink, oh yeah. Yeah, energy drinks give you energy.
But what happens when it wears off?
Yeah! Ready to program a satellite! What's going on? Step 4. Staying awake. Oh, well, looks like I'm here now. You want to get the least amount of sleep possible, alright? We're talking...
None.
Breaking news. Everybody's favorite cartoon character, Bing Bong.
Wow, the news is really interesting. Step 5. Arithmetic. Most people aren't that great at mental math or math in general when they're, full of energy. But what happens when they have no energy? Well, I equals mx plus b. B is up. Yeah. Mx. And that's about it. That's about all you need to becoming as anemic as you need to be. Hee hee hee. Thanks for watching this clip, man. Pretty cool. I hope you follow these steps.
This sucks.
Because... Okay, alright, come on, man. What are you doing, man? I gotta beat you up. You can't do anything. I made you weak. Oh, yeah, you think you're so tough. Yeah. Oh, I can bounce back at any time. Hee. Well, guess what? You can't. Yeah. What? Girl? It's okay. Cool. Somebody help me, please. Somebody help me. Come on. Someone's going to Pound Town. No! One of the best ways to gain energy is to eat food. So don't do that.